Let us signal. Supercats are some.
Wait! Tantrum needs a change.
It's a dot. It's a plate. No, it's getting butt off the couch, boy.
Snacks, wipes. Pachi, change your costume. Mom, where's my cape? You're sitting on it.
All clear. What are you doing?
Rebranding. Bots are too childish.
You gotta do that right now, buddy?
The bad guys may or may not allow bathroom breaks. So everyone go now.
Supercats are Sam. The chief says the asteroid already hit the city.
Oh, what's for dinner? I pooped. So, what's your new hero name? Master Shrider. You can't call yourself that!
And I'm required to ask this. Do you feel safe at home? Sir? Sir? Sir?
Hello?
Our mommy died, so we have to live with you now.
Oh no! No, Jen! Wait a minute. Janet, you can't keep pulling this shit! Sword, 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 sword. Not you. Sword, sword, sword. Pew, pew, pew. Sword, sword, sword.
Actually, pew pew was better.
Wow. He's zooming like he just used a little bit. Oh no! We have to go! Now!
Papa, look what I made with the sandbox play door.
What's this? Those are people who have gone missing. Wait, in here? This store is dangerous! No, Daddy, remember the rules. You can't eat that sandwich till we get home. Do you think this is our home? If the police find out, they'll come and take you away and it'll just be me and Mommy and Cooper. And when she falls down the stairs and dies, it'll just be me and Cooper and someone will come and steal us because we are cool. And I'm not hugging those guys. No hitting, no making a mess, and no eating stuff off the floor, right? Yes, Mommy! Run! Strike first! Strike hard! No mercy!
He's still crying?
Yes, but it's a bit funny now! Wow, I sure did have a lot of costumes. Lots of costumes! Funny, funny costumes! Did you know that M&Ms are different species?
I tied the cable drawer.
You threw away the ones we don't need, right? You threw away the ones we don't need, right? Guess who was top of the class this semester?
It was you, right? It was you, right?
Meow? Yep, I planted the fake poop. It was a fake poop, right? It was a fake poop, right? Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Mom, can I have more juice? Can we go to the moon on Saturday? What happens when we die? Well, where do babies come from? Is it snack time? How many bees are there? Exactly. Okay, so, are ninjas real? Where is my sock? Do trees fart? Please stop. I can't take any more of my questions. Are you a witch? Cooper, I'm so sorry.
It's fine. No, little one. I'm not a witch.
See, Cooper, I told you. She's just normal ugly. We cleaned up! You did? This has never happened before. I didn't even ask. Oh, You tried, I guess? Not really. Can I have candy? I've told you no already. Well, ignore yourself. Shut up, you.
It's everything to your satisfaction?
No! Those awful people are ruining our evening.
I'm terribly sorry. Which table? I love you.
Are you talking to me or the iPad?
Captain's log. Stardate 204566. We are barely survived. Our last encounter. Life support on critical. Continue on to our mission in the Gamma. What there? Raise shields! Oh, absolutely not. I let the Millennium Falcon slide, but Enterprise is not getting owned by the Paw Patrol. We surrender. What do you want from us?
Cookies!
Oh, honey, Formula, don't you want him to do well in school?
You know, when I first met you, I really didn't like you.
I thought there was going to be another half to the sentence.
Nope. Oh, ladies! Breastfeeding? Formula? Don't you want them to do well in school? Thanks for tanking for us tonight. We're already down the end, but you'll need to kite the boss for a bit. He didn't recently, so watch out for his new dots and that enrage timer. If you catch aggro, just CC him with the iPad until he runs out of mana.
If you get repumps, pound the patch on cooldown. I hope you're rocking some pump-resist gear, because you do not want a wipe on your hands.
Wait! What? You dare enter my realm? You are not prepared. I'm a genie. I will grant you 3 wishes. I wish you'd put your shoes on. Wish granted. I wish you'd put your shoes on your feet. Wish granted. Of course. Alright, I wish you'd put your left foot inside your sock, and then put your socked left foot into your left shoe, and then put your right foot inside your other sock, and then put your socked right foot into your right shoe! Haha!
What's so funny?
We are drunk trolling mom groups. I don't think he approves.
How about, is there a preferred brand of organic baby chloroform anyone can recommend it? I don't want him having word chemicals.
I feed it with my boobs? I don't know. That doesn't sound right. What's 2 plus 2? Math. I will accept that answer. Now for your economy lesson with Mr. Nook. Yes, yes. Which do you love more? Your bass or your guitar? Which would you grab if the house was on fire?
I've got 2 hands, don't I?
Okay, what if you had a kit in one hand?
Which kid? Problem solved.